How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So first, you need to launch your Google Maps application. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to click your profile at the top right corner. Now, once you're on your profile, what you're going to do next is scroll down till you see the settings option. Tap on settings option. On settings, you have to scroll down again, and this time you have to look for navigation. Tap on navigation. Here on navigation, you will see a few options. First is the mute state. So basically, you have the options here, mute, alerts only, or unmuted. What you're going to do is you have to click unmuted. For guidance volume, you have the options. You can choose normal or louder. So basically, I strongly suggest to select louder this time. And then if you scroll down here for voice selection, I want you to simply toggle on display voice over Bluetooth. Also, you need to turn on or toggle on display voice during phone calls. Now, if you scroll down here, there are also a lot of options that you can turn on if you want. But basically, this is how simple it is to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.